Are you interested in finding romance on a cruise ship? Sunshine, alcohol, swimsuits. Is there a better combination for having a romantic encounter? Yes. Just add all those elements and then combine them on a cruise ship. It shouldn't be a surprise, then, that amorous relationship can and do happen on a cruise. Of course, if you're interested in hooking up on a cruise, there are ways that you can increase your odds, and a few things that you should consider before doing so. Do be careful. Even though cruise ships can seem like sanitized vacations where everything is safe and clean, hooking up with strangers always carries risk. Protect your drink and don't overindulge to the point that you can't keep your wits. Sexual assault is the most common major crime reported on cruise ships, with about 100 cases reported on U.S. cruises in 2019. Given the millions of people that sail annually, that may not be that many, but that's little consolation to those who are victims. Do attend singles events. Every cruise will usually have singles mixers during the course of the cruise. You'll find the schedule in the ship's daily planner. While the mixers last about an hour, the key is to take the next step of extending from the mixer to other things on the ship. For instance, if you're feeling that things are clicking with someone, you can ask them to dinner or to have another drink after others might have left. Do hit up the late-night bars. Here you'll find people that like to let loose and have a good time, but that doesn't necessarily mean they want to hook up. But just like on land, if you're looking for love, a late-night bar is the right place to look. Don't be bashful. You don't want to come across as creepy by being too aggressive, but remember that your time on the cruise ship is short. If you see someone that you're attracted to, make an effort to talk to them. Don't be too picky. Remember that even the biggest cruises will have at most about 4,000 to 6,000 people. The number of single people in your age range gets to be pretty small. The ocean just isn't that big on a cruise ship. Do select the right time of year to sail. Want to sail with a younger crowd with more singles? Check out spring break or summer cruises. In general, cruise ships have all ages on board, but as a rule of thumb, shorter sailings tend to have younger crowds. Don't expect to hook up with the crew. Crew members are on strict orders that hooking up with passengers is forbidden. It can easily cost them their job. Keep your efforts to other passengers and not the crew. Do remember you have to share the ship. If you are looking to hook up on a cruise, the chances are you aren't looking for love or anything long-term. Even so, the idea of getting with someone early in the trip and then ghosting them is not great. Instead, avoid any awkwardness by only getting together with someone you can stand hanging out with for the remainder of your cruise. While finding romance on a cruise ship can be a fun and exciting experience, it's important to prioritize safety and respect for others. Have fun.